I just wanted to create this short video to share with you a tool that I've been using that I found really useful and think you might find useful too. So it's for creating screencasts or screen recordings, but it's really intuitive and it's free for educators, which is great. So I'm trying to do a screen record of the actual software, so we'll see how that goes. But basically, once you've signed up, and I'll go through that process in a second video, because you sign up and then you request the educator account, which gives you free access. But basically, once you've signed up, you can either download the application to your laptop, or you can use the web version, which is quite nice. And if we look at the functionality here, you can see obviously it puts me in the bottom corner here as a video. I can just make that smaller. I just put it big to capture your attention at the beginning of the video, but I can make that small. I can even change this to be a photo or something else. Here, this is the application here. I can choose to record the screen and the camera. The screen only or the camera only, and I can choose different desktops as well. And I can choose my sources for camera, either this is coming from the monitor, or I can choose the laptop. And I always try, whenever I do these screen recordings or screencasts, the quality of the microphone built into the laptop is usually poor. So I always try and add an external microphone, and I don't know if I can't show you. I was just lifting it up, but I have a dedicated microphone there to try and improve the quality of the capture. That's always a big plus. It's telling me my internet is slow at the moment, so it's only going to capture in 720 resolution, which is okay. I think I can up it. It just might take a little bit longer to process. So the key for this is it's like a regular screen casting capturing software such as Camtasia, but the key feature is at the end, because it uploads it and gives you a shareable link straight away. So I'll show you an example. I'll start recording and it should come up. 3, 2, 1. And if I just bring over a PowerPoint, okay, so I'll be going through my PowerPoint. It's recording my screen, it's recording my voice and camera. In the controls here, I can restart it if I'm not happy with what we've done. I can pause it if I need to go and answer the door or something, or I can just delete it. I can annotate, which is nice, to kind of go through certain things, and once I'm happy with the recording, I can hit stop. You hear that noise, and what you don't see right now, which I'll bring it over, is straight away as soon as I hit stop, it started uploading to the website. So I can change this. It's uploading. It does give me some kind of options for editing, so I can trim. If I just want to trim the beginning and the end, I can do that. I can add custom thumbnails and call to action. The key feature for me is that I can just copy that link. I can go straight to the LMS and drop that link into my site. Students, when they click on the link, they'll get something similar to this without the options on the sides, and they can click the emoji faces if they want to give you a thumbs up, thumbs down if they don't like it. That could be interesting as well, interesting insight. And they can leave comments, but you could switch that off too. They can watch the video back at different speeds, and this is what I always tend to do. I remember when I was doing my masters that there was one lecturer that I never actually heard him speak in real time, because I was always watching his content at 1.5 or 1.2 speed. And you can also download that video and use it for other things as well. It's nice to keep it in this platform and just give the students the link, because then if you want to go back and change anything, you can just change the video and replace the link. And there's other options there. So I would encourage you to try it out, and I'll give you a video next that goes through how to sign up for the educator account. So let me know if you find this useful.